Hi, it's Chris and Sue, and we have an old gas rototiller, but I was looking for something lightweight for Sue to use to cultivate her gardens. We have a 40-volt brushless weed whacker, and it has the Expand-it capability, so we found the cultivator for it and we bought it to try it out. You can pick up the cultivator up at Home Depot. The list price is $139. We got the new RYOBI Expand-it Cultivator for our weed whacker. The power head is brushless 40 volt, and we have a 4 amp hour battery in it right now. It's pretty easy to attach. You just slide it in, and there's a button here that gets pushed in that locks it, then you just tighten the handle down. So the button came out once it collected in, and then just tighten it up and you're good to go. It weighs about 21.2 pounds. You notice it's called a cultivator, not a rototiller, and that's for a good reason. Our big gas mower can break up sod, but it's too much for the little cultivator to do it. We found it works best if you pull it backwards. It does a lot better job of digging into the soil. The batteries lasted surprisingly long. It took us 2 batteries to do all our trenches and the main garden. Well, it's working pretty nice. It sure beats using the iron rake. Well, if this was helpful, please hit like and subscribe, and have a great day.